Thutha wa mwandiki MUKARU ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini ruhonge-ini rwa NJERA SALOME BEACCO gucera njera-ini ya Murang'a na Marajau augite ruhonge ruru ruri mihango-ini ya kuongerera irathi oro undu umwe na arutani njera-ini niguo kuhotithia OHWO kugia na mweke wa guthoma.
We have visited the Murang'a main prison as well as the Murang'a women. We came to see all the ongoing projects and we came to see the state of the prisons so that we see in what ways we can intervene, and I'm very happy to say that the prisons are very well kept. They have raised valid issues, particularly with respect to the power of mercy. In all these prisons there are parole officers, there are power of mercy officers. We are encouraging them to take advantage.
Salome augite matashukitie ikinya riri thutha wa OHWO aingi gukorwo makihoya mweke wa guthoma ringi na aria maingirite thukuru mahote guthie na mbere niguo mundu akirikia kioho giake akorwo na maratathi.
I'm very pleased that they are very keen on going back to school. It is an issue which we are actively involved in through our Department of Education. We have a very vibrant Department of Education which works in collaboration with stakeholders to increase the number of classrooms, to increase the number of teachers, to train the teachers. Last year we trained 57 teachers to equip them with CBC skills, and in some of the prisons we even have graduates, like in committee 14 of them graduated as lawyers.
Salome ongereire ati mwaka muhituku ruhonge rwa NJERA ni rwathomithirie arutani 57 mathomo ma CBC, akiuga ati no megukorwo magiaka laboratories, labs cia computer oro undu umwe na gubundithia OHWO guthondeka indo cia mbao kuria muingi uritio gwitikira kuguraga indo ici wona cia thondekwo.
We are exploring possibilities of expanding these workshops in line with the presidential directives of growing the SMEs, because we are hoping that our inmates eventually can become entrepreneurs. They can take advantage of the Hustler Fund. They can hopefully be engaged in the KIPES that are being set up by the county governments.
Hindi ya icera riri ruhonge ruru ni ruratugire OHWO na mikondoro 100 na mirengeti 70 gatagati ka indo ingi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.